The other week, the team from Tvvin announced that they have released a brand new ISPO dashboard where you as a delegate can check the dashboard to see how many potential rewards you have earned through their initial stake pool offering. Now, I'm pretty happy about this because it was my team that built the landing page for the ISPO dashboard, and it's all powered by CardanoPress. Now, for those that need a little bit of a reminder about what Tvvin is, this is their website. They're doing real-world asset tokenization, and the very first one that they're working with is gold. So they'll be able to tokenize the ownership of gold assets. They already have some gold ready to tokenize, and they're working with regulators so they can go through the process to make this all happen. You can check out my previous video that I did with Thomas from the project, and you can check out the links there in the top right hand corner where you can learn more about what Tvvin is, how it all works, and everything else about it. Now, if you're interested in the ISPO itself, I'll put links down below so you can find out exactly how you can delegate, where you need to delegate to, and what type of rewards you can potentially earn for staking to the ISPO. They do have two stake pools, a 99% margin fee pool where they take essentially all of your ADA rewards for exchange of these Twix tokens that they'll release in their ecosystem, and then a 50% pool that takes half your ADA rewards, so you still get a little bit back, and then you get a lower amount of Twix tokens through their platform. Now, you can check out the ISPO dashboard itself. This is it here. You can go to it at ispo-twin.com/Tvvin1n. I'll put a links down below in the show notes so that you can find it a little bit easier, but it is there on their ISPO documentation as well. So you can't miss the links, it's all there. But this is some of the really cool things that we put into the dashboard itself. And anyone else that's running an ISPO or thinking about it can actually use all these features to quickly spin up an ISPO dashboard of your own. Now, one of the really useful features on the ISPO dashboard is the rewards estimator. So this is great for anyone that is coming onto the ISPO, doing their research and trying to work out exactly how much they could potentially earn. So here you can set the amount of ADA that you have. You can also type in the amount directly into the input box and then work out the amount of epochs you need to delegate for to be able to earn a certain amount of the Twix tokens. Now, with the ISPO rewards calculator, that does take into account bonuses as well. So Tvvin does have various bonuses if you delegate for a certain amount of time. So if you trigger the 35 epoch, you unlock a certain bonus, the Galactic Supernova bonus and the Galactic Supernova NFT. And if you delegate for even longer, for the entire period, such as 40 epochs, you also unlock that Cosmic Supernova bonus. So lots of little things in there that you can take advantage of so that you can illustrate to your potential delegates what rewards they'll be earning for delegating to the ISPO. Furthermore, you can actually check the progress of your rewards by typing in your stake key and then clicking track, or you can connect your wallet and then allow the platform itself to work out what your stake key is and then calculate your potential rewards from that. So here I'll just paste in my stake key, click on track, and it will do its API calls and then work out exactly how much Twix tokens I've earned so far from this ISPO. They have a whole bunch of little features here, such as a start, end date, and the automated delegation button, which you can click on and then start delegating directly from the website. You can see here it pulls in some data about the stake pool. It's a pool ID, the amount of active stake that the pool has, the amount of delegates, and the amount of blocks that have been minted from the pool itself. Really cool, useful metrics that you can use so that you can see how well the pool is doing at the moment. Delegating to the stake pool is really easy. All you have to do is click on connect button, choose the wallet that you like to use. In this case, I'll click on NAMI. Now, I've already connected to the website before, so I don't need to add it to my allow list. But if it's the first time, you will need to add it to your allow list so that NAMI can actually talk to the website. The next step here, click on delegate. This will write you a transaction to delegate to this particular stake pool. Here you can actually see the transaction itself. You can see the details, how much ADA it will cost you to actually delegate to this pool. And if you click on the details, you can see it's using your payment key and your stake key for this particular transaction. So I'm just going to click back, sign that transaction, and away it goes. There we go, successful delegation. So here there's the results, and you can actually see your transaction on Cardano Scan, so you can verify that it's actually happened. So I'll just load that up. So there we go. So we can see the wallet, the transaction, and delegation to the particular pool. I can click on that pool ID and check what pool it is. And I can see here it is the twin pool. So I can verify that it's all happened on chain and done correctly as well. If you're interested in using the ISPO plugin, you can get to it at CardanoPress.io. You can also find it on the WordPress directory. Just search for CardanoPress ISPO plugin. This is what it looks like. And if you're interested in the actual code itself, it's all readily available on GitHub. So you can go through it, check out the code itself, verify that it does what it's meant to do, then also have a look at all the patches, upgrades, and new features that we're adding into the plugin itself so that you guys can take advantage of it all. I really do enjoy ISPOs. I think they're a great fundraising model for projects on Cardano. Really easy for delegates as well. All you need to do is delegate your wallet and you can earn some of these fantastic tokens in the ecosystem. If you enjoy this type of content, if you like learning about Cardano, please consider giving me a thumbs up, click subscribe, click on that notification bell. Lots of really cool Cardano related content. I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, gotta do it like that. You've been listening to the Learn Cardano.